Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kamalamding ikhonasunflower. I can't talk much. Reason being, we are doing my hair, so I will officiate the vlog tomorrow. But welcome to my maintenance vlog. I'm getting my hair done. It is Friday night. I think I did say in one of the vlogs that I'm going to get my hair done Friday, but I don't think that vlog is posted yet. So it's Friday night and it's around 9, around 9:30. I don't know. It's load shedding 4 hours, so like we are in the second hour. I mean, we can have 4 hours. That's what I'm saying. So when a girl has to be beautiful, no load shedding formed against us. Well, period. You should see my, you should see my hair stylish now. But I'm gonna show you this tomorrow because like we can't. Oh, we'll show you. We'll talk once the electricity comes back, and I'll leave her phone number on the screen. You can text me or text her. Affordable. I'm not saying this because I know her, but she's a like. I'm not trying to convince you, bruh. Like I'm not. You'll see the product, and I'll tell you how much she did my hair for, and you'll see what I mean. Like let her work speak for itself. She lives at Ballpark, but if you're at Ileli or campus, bruh, even D6, everyone, like if you wanna get your hair done and be beautiful like me. First of all, guys, you see, she's not even done. She's not even a baba. You know what? We'll talk. We'll talk. Bye for now. Welcome to another day of the maintenance vlog. Today I'm going to get my lashes done. We last spoke last night when I was getting my hair done. I think we slept at 12 because I couldn't take it anymore. We both were coming back from work, so I was tired. So we decided to stop, and then we started again. She had already finished with this when we stopped. And then we started again this morning at 7 with the back part, the braiding, which I'll show you in like the right time. Then I'm running to catch the shuttle so we can then meet you and then over to where we're going. So, well, what I'm wearing quickly. The mirror is dirty, but like this, Adidas Nike socks. Factory, both of them. It's 58, so I have to run for the shadow. I'll see you guys along the way. Let's go.
Guys, she doesn't want me to do
I don't
anymore.
I don't.
I'm forcing. I'm forcing.
I don't.
You are forcing. Oh, because I'm forcing my leg.
The thing is, guys, how do you guys get your lashes done? Because like, why is it taking forever? So we're gonna have to cut it. 4.
2, yeah.
Okay. Okay. See you guys later. I'll put your number on screen and Instagram page. Okay, cool. Okay, officially. Hi guys, I want to show you the lashes. I was meant to do cat eye hype. Oh, called me in the video cut. I was meant to do something hybrid, right? And tell me why this is taking forever. And I'm like, girl, I don't think I can stay longer than this. Bruh, she got done with this. Okay, this is classic cat eye something. I don't know. Then she was still going to add what makes it hybrid. And I'm just like, where are you going to add whatever you need to add? In whose eyes? With whose time? I am so sorry. I would never be able to stay that long in one place doing the same thing. And the thing is, she's doing the same thing, bruh. She takes and put. You think she's done. She puts again. And you think she's... Huh? Girl, not me. Not in my name. I apologize. So, I don't know how I'm going to show you the lashes. This is me showing you guys the lashes. How do I feel? I feel like they are good. I'm just like, damn, going to work with them. Everyone is going to be in my case. Like, oh, you did your lashes. Oh. Shut up. I think the best compliment you can give me is shutting up. Shut up. Like if you're at work, if you're my colleague, like literally my classmate, it's fine, you can say something. I wanna the people in the lab that we work with, shut up. Shut up. What? Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Okay? I don't like it. Anyways, these are the lashes. This is her look. I'm gonna blink so much, but yeah, these are the lashes. The hair I'm still gonna show you. I forgot when we were outside, but anyways, for now that's it. I don't know what more do you do on the maintenance vlog when you're showing that, because I'm still gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna show you my nails. What more? Because I don't know. So that's it, guys, for now, for the lashes. Okay, and I'm filming on my phone, so I don't know about quality, but yeah, this is the hair. I love it. I love it. I'm one person that doesn't like staying long for something. The person that was doing my hair, okay, I did say I'm gonna leave her details on screen.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, oh. If you're loving every night, you make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, chase. I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on me, play. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. Make a love cycle, make a traffic cycle. Make you think you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything that I have tonight, oh. True that make you utilize, oh. Y'all when we talk, we go revive, oh. Give you many things, we put them make you dance, oh. Y'all make you back up to the standing mic. It's falling and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad. Or breathe, it ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at. Where you at? And I love you every day. I'm dancing with my money, I go pay.
Check out. Ikhonasunflower in Irene is actually a good place to take pictures also. Ikhonasunflower? Oh, we just go.
CCTV, we don't care about the price.
No,
you are the one who said that.
We don't.
So,
Galop, remember we had a place we agreed to go to.
But Liana, it's not actually too much for that place.
Okay, true. Now that's good reason. Oh guys, see my face. can't really see even like I can't see my number. But I believe Zabonaga. You are so glowing. Why you will manga? Yeah. Bonoba, I'm actually taking a video of him. I'm not gonna hide it from him. No. It is beautiful. You are my best view. Ever if you internet we are at Sunny and Irene. Of the maintenance vlog. So I did my hair and my lashes. I'm going to get my nails done because when we went for the massage, it's still maintenance. So now we're gonna have that's like in a tube today. So what's the fun of the party? Guys, I love this. Yeah.
It's classy too when we went to the night spa.
And I'm thinking there are a lot of things in this one for they are friendly. When you look at thinking like, what's happening? Yeah,
One thing about them.
I hope you heard what we were saying in the conversation. But you're gonna order now. I'll see you once we. I feel like Ndingukeyams. I can't help but feel like Ndingukeyams. maybe we'll look for it.
like here.
Up in the middle. Then Sacho, I feel like K-yams. I don't want to say I feel like K-yams in the making. I feel like
You are, don't say.
I am herself. I love this for me. I love it. Okay, we'll talk once we eat. When the music playing, I'll get demonetized for it or what? But I wanted to say we are at the ground floor of the place we were at for the Nines restaurant. Let me show you. You literally just go upstairs to go to the Nines. So I don't know if you're gonna see. Where is it? There it is. Yeah. Here. Okay, let me do it like this. Yeah. Oh, ungakhange uvloge utya njani bro. This is yeah. You know eggs. You know eggs phakathi. I-chips brokish. Egg noodles phakathi usalayo. Why no? Because I really yeah, you know mushrooms also. And eggs.
The name.
Hi, chef. Uzoyibona xa ufika under isection eno ekade land ikhona.
Hi, my name is Sinopia. This is my first trip. I'm down. This is my second drink.